When you fall asleep, these critters come out from hiding and viciously attack you. They bite you over and over again. They're courteous, though. The hollow tubes they use to pierce your skin and suck your blood contain a powerful but temporary painkiller, so you won't feel their handiwork until the morning. We're talking about bedbugs, and these guys don't discriminate. Fortunately, we've got a homemade bedbug spray for house. Here's a list of the materials that you'll need. An empty spray bottle. We'd recommend getting one that offers a stream option when you twist the nozzle. This gives you the option to pump out concentrated amounts of liquid in case of areas that are ordinarily hard to reach, but if you can't find one, an empty spray bottle will do. You can also make it in a plastic or glass container. Tea tree oil, lavender oil, thyme oil, lemongrass oil, a cup of water, 4 droppers. Once you have all these materials gathered, make sure the spray bottle is clean and dry. You can now start adding the ingredients of your homemade bedbug spray. Begin by dropping 5 drops each of tea tree, lavender, thyme, and lemongrass essential oils. For this step, make sure to use different droppers for each essential oil for hygienic purposes. Tea tree is best known for its antiseptic and repellent properties. In fact, research shows that tea tree works by soaking the bedbug's exoskeleton, causing it to suffocate and die. Lavender is another useful essential oil in repelling bedbugs. Although we love the soothing smell of lavender, bedbugs seem to hate it. Studies also reveal that lavender effectively kills bedbug eggs, which not only kills bedbugs, but also prevents them from further spreading. On the other hand, thyme is a natural insecticide. Adding this into the mix prevents bedbugs from coming back to your home. Another useful oil is extracted from lemongrass. Lemongrass contains citronellic acid, which is toxic to bedbugs and other pests. It effectively works by increasing the acidic contents in their bodies, causing them to die almost instantly. The smell left by lemongrass also draws them away, so you don't have to worry about another infestation. Once you're done with adding essential oils into the spray bottle, you can now pour a cup of water into the mix and shake the bottle. And that's it. You now have your own homemade bedbug spray. Make sure to spray it on areas that are naturally attractive to bedbugs, like your mattress or your couch. With the stream option of your spray bottle, you can also reach into the nooks and crannies where you think they may be hiding. This spray is 100% organic, so you don't have to worry about inhaling nasty chemicals. But aside from a bedbug spray, it can also be applied for other purposes. Because of the insect repellent properties from thyme and other essential oils, you can also use this as a garden sprayer. It also smells really nice, so it's a better alternative to the mass-produced hazardous pesticides. And finally, you can also use it as your own bug shield. Diluted essential oils are already safe for our skin. But just to be sure, mix the concoction with coconut oil first before you spread it onto your skin. This will keep you bug and mosquito-free for hours. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of bedbugs fast and easily yourself at home. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.